Oh, nice. Sign them off.
Yeah.
How's Miss Elaine, okay?
She's doing all right. Yeah. She's babysitting today.
She's a smart woman.
She's got a little granddaughter that's Lucy that she's taking care of today.
Miles. Okay, so we're getting near the airport. I'm starting to see traffic.
Okay.
95315 is at our altitude. He's at 1130 position. That way. He's probably headed to the field.
Yeah. Our altitude is going in the same direction?
Yeah, he's crossing in front of us.
Okay.
It's about 4 nautical miles away yet.
Going in the same direction?
He's headed, we're headed north. It looks like he's headed east.
120.3.
120.3. He's about at our altitude. Looks like about 4 nautical miles. Now he's heading north.
Do you see traffic around the airport?
Well, we're still 12 nautical miles away.
Yes. So you're not getting that traffic?
Yeah, there's a little.
How far out do you get traffic?
Oh, I got traffic all the way up to Lake George, I guess.
Oh, wow.
I mean, wherever there's traffic.
Yeah.
Wherever I can. Because we're right near Orlando, you know?
Yeah.
9 right, clear for the option, look at 311.
682, runway 9 left, clear for the option.
I don't hear anybody in the pattern.
No. But there are some planes around the airport. Now our November 95315 is heading northwest. Maybe going to Leesburg or something. 111 knots. All right, let's see.
Let's get the ATIS from Orlando.
Okay.
Read back all runway hold short instructions and
So we're going to probably land on 15, right?
Yeah.
Orlando Executive Tower, information Golf 1653 Zulu observation. Wind 200 at 5, visibility 10, ceiling 1000 broken. Temperature 28, dew point 23, altimeter 3006. RNAV approach, runway 25 in use. Attention all aircraft, new departure procedures in effect. The TOLS 1 departure now in use. Pay close attention to the climb out procedures. Hazardous weather information. information available for Orlando and surrounding areas on flight service frequencies. Caution, bird and other wildlife activity on in the vicinity of the airport. Clearance delivery is available on ground control frequency 121.4. Read back all runway hold short instructions and runway assignments and advise on initial contact. You have ATIS information. Golf.
You want to give him a call, maybe?
Orlando Executive Tower, ATIS information. Golf. 1653 Zulu observation. Wind 200 at 5. Visibility 10. Ceiling 1000 broken. Temperature 28. Dew point 23. Altimeter 3006.
Did you get the wind at Executive?
Yeah, it's like 170, well, 140 at 6.
On ILS.
Where we are, I got the weather.
Okay, we're about 6 miles.
Leesburg is light and variable.
Oh, okay, good. We'll use 15.
Yeah.
Is that Bucky 467 for closed traffic?
Hey, from Bucky 467.
Bucky 467, Stanford Tower, continue.
Continue, Bucky 467.
You got Sanford on there.
I got Sanford Tower. What is the frequency here?
All right, wait a minute. 123.05.
Oh, 123. Okay. 0.0.
0.05.
That it? 12305?
Yes.
2565, going to cross over midfield and turn left downwind to a Plant City.
Apopka Unicorn.
Apopka traffic, Lake 2536 Papa is 4 miles southwest, inbound landing. We'll set up a right downwind for 15.
Papa traffic, Skyhawk 733 Kilo Charlie, right downwind 15, Apopka.
All right, so we got a Skyhawk that's already there.
Yep. Okay, mixture rich.
Got to put the flaps down and the gear, right?
Yep.
We got time.
Yep.
Apopka traffic 577 Tango uniform clear on 15 Apopka.
Okay, traffic, just like 2565, look downwind 28, we're going to expand to the traffic on the runway.
That Skyhawk is 733 Kilo Charlie. That belongs to Van Ander.
Oh.
It's flying. That's the one you and I will go up eventually.
Yeah.
There we go.
Tampa North traffic, Tomahawk 76 Charlie Mike, 10 miles to the northwest for landing runway 14.
Apopka traffic, Lake 36 Pop, turning a right downwind 15 Apopka. Okay, gear coming down.
Gas undercarriage mixture prop. Seatbelt secure.
Flaps coming down. Mixture full rich, propeller full forward.
I see him. I see the Skyhawk.
Where is he? Okay.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
He's quite a ways
Apopka
out.
traffic, 733 Kilo Charlie, right base, 15 Apopka.
Yeah, we went all the way to Sanford to turn.
Yeah. He's a long way out there. Well, we got to do the same thing.
Well, at least we wait till he crosses our wing, right?
Yeah.
That's okay. Bob is in control. Top of the green.
Top of the green, right? We're still doing it. We're still doing it. Aries still doing it.
2565, going on 28, landing 1 clear traffic.
Where's that cell phone tower? See it?
Apopka
I'm looking.
733 Kilo Charlie, short final 15, Apopka.
I am looking for it.
I never saw it. Apopka traffic, Lake 36 Pop, turning a right base, 15 Apopka.
I would say it's not a factor right now.
No, I don't think so. We're at 800 feet.
Oh, there it is. I think I got it.
See it?
Yeah, I think I got it over there. I see it.
Top traffic, Skyhawk 733 Kilo Charlie going around 15 Apopka, right close traffic.
I don't even see the airport.
Well, let's see. The airport's back that way.
That guy screwed me up. He took like such a big pattern.
Because here's 441. Now there it is. See it?
Oh, okay.
So you can chop the power. You got it, right?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I was so far away I lost the airport.
Yeah, he's going around. I see him. You got some people inbound right now.
Yeah, gear down.
Gear down, flaps down. 80 miles an hour.
Top traffic, Skyhawk 733 Kilo Charlie, right crosswind 15 Apopka.
530 traffic, Cessna 25325 is west downwind for 28.
Apopka traffic, November 2536 Papa, Lake Amphibian, short final, 15 Apopka.
Tampa North traffic, Tomahawk 76 Charlie Mike, 3 mile final for runway 14.
See, we got one guy waiting to go. Very nice, Bob. In control. Touchdown. Top of the green.
Yep. Little crosswind there.
Yeah.
But I don't think it was much.
No, it's not. See the way it's hanging?
Yeah.
It's just bumpy.
Top traffic, Cherokee 3917, actually holding short 15.
The
Okay.
thermals. Apopka traffic. 2536 Pop, clearing active. Runway 15 Apopka.
Yeah, it's a direct crosswind, but it's a limp shock.
Top traffic, Skyhawk 733 Kilo Charlie, right base 15, full stop Apopka.
Okay, you see it?
Well, let's see, we burned probably, I guess we ought to put gas in the airplane. We burned at least
10, 11 gallons.
10, 11 gallons, plus the other one, we were down 5, so we're probably down about 15 gallons.
Top traffic 733 Kilo Charlie, turning final for 15, full stop Apopka.
Very nice, Bob. Good
Okay, radio's off.
flight. Good flight.
Good. Radio's off, transponder off. Nav light off, strobe light off. Fixture lean. Master off.